Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dehsonae and today's look is going to be inspired by this artist here. I don't know how to pronounce her name, so I will list her down below. First things first, we're going to start with some primer and then jump into some foundation. You can go ahead and use any shade that you already have that's lighter than your actual skin tone. And then we're just going to take a sponge and blend it all in. Next, I'm going to take this Mime Clown White makeup, which is a cream-based makeup. You can actually just use a concealer that's lighter than your skin tone as well. And then just highlight the highest points of your face and then blend it all in with a sponge. And then I'm taking the Mime Color Set Powder just to set everything in because we are using cream. If you're using any type of regular makeup, you can also set for a longer wear. I'm going to take the Mime shadow in gray here and I'm just going to start contouring my face. Next we're going to take this shadow from Sugar Pill, which is Love Plus. I'm going to place this on the tip of my nose, down the center of my lips, and on my cheeks as blush. We're going to take that same red shadow and place it on one eye only. And then we're taking this palette here from CoverGirl and I'm just taking a light black and then placing it on the other eye. I am adding some highlights to the face, so I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlighter. For all the red details, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick and this is in American Doll. I'm just going to fill in my nose here and then I'm going to take a small little brush and start to do little pinwheels on my cheeks. And then I'm going to start to create the heart shapes on my lips here. So I'm just creating two little Mickey Mouse ears and then connecting them down to the bottom and then just making sure everything is pretty even. Now we're going to continue with the same concept on the eye here. We're going to take the same liquid lipstick and we're just going to create a heart. Make sure that you create your heart according to your eye shape so it shows when your eyes are open and closed. And then we're going to do the other side, which is the black heart. Again, two little Mickey Mouse ears and then just shaping it to fit your eye. And then I'm just going to place three little lines on the lower lash line of each eye for some added detail. We're going to go in with this MAC Cosmetics Liquid Gloss, and this one is actually pretty tingly. And I'm just going to place it on top of my red lips here just to make them nice and glossy. We're going to pop on some lashes. You can totally leave it like this, don't have to worry about contacts, just put on a striped shirt and a red scarf. But I decided to pop on some black contacts here. These are from Cameo Eyes. This pretty much concludes my look for today. It's super easy, super quick, and if you happen to recreate this look, definitely don't forget to tag me. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. By the way, Halloween is coming, so stay tuned. Love you guys. Bye.